So we're getting 5 eggs a day now. Our egg production is going up. Those chicks that we got a while back, you can go back and watch those videos. Well, one of them starting to produce eggs. I think it's this one, but we've had green eggs before, so maybe one of these. Look at this, real speckled. See if I can get that. There you go. See how pretty that is? And then our green eggs. Then we had a couple of these brown eggs. These washed. Yeah. So egg production's going up. And we'll probably start having, let's see. The rest of them start producing, we'll have about 8 to 10 eggs a day, so that's a lot of eggs. Good news though. I am what I am. So how to dry your seeds. This is just a few layers of paper towel. I put it on a cookie sheet on top of a pan. I took all the seeds, juice, everything out of that 7-pound melon we got. And then I poured it on here. Now we're just going to let this dry. Not with a dehumidifier or a dehydrator or anything. Just let it sit out on the shelf or on your counter and let it dry. Once it dries, this slimy stuff here, the membrane, is going to be tossed into the compost. And then we're just going to fold up this dry paper towel, put it in a Ziploc bag, label it, 7-pound mushmelon. And next year we'll have all these seeds we can plant. Now, that mushmelon came up voluntarily. And it produced 2 melons on it. Came up out there in the corn. The 7-pound melon and another one that went to mush before it ever ripened. And then the plant died. But it gave us enough fruit to enjoy a meal, and we got a ton of seeds out of it. So I'll look forward to see what this does next year. Dad's from Tennessee. He says the ones that are voluntary are the best, because they're the volunteers down there in Tennessee volunteers. But I have a lot of volunteer plants this year. Tomatoes, melons, sunflowers, all came up all by themselves, voluntarily. What is this thing?
It's Ryan Sproul.
Ryan Sproul's driving his little mini car. Let's see if he turns here. There he goes. Little clown car. Volunteer Tammy G's came up. You see them all? Just going crazy. And there's a little cantaloupe over there. This is my zebra and hillbilly. It's doing okay. We're gonna have some fruit. Get some seeds off of that. Now I've found out more tomatoes are coming up over here. Some of these aren't even Tammy G's. They're like a beefsteak or something. Maybe some early girls. I got 2 eggplants coming up, and it's gonna have fruit. These all came up voluntarily. Right over here, there's a potato. I didn't plant that potato, but there's a potato coming up there. So, and over here, there's another tomato, see? All these came up voluntarily. That might even be something different over there. Just right here in this spot where those chickens were. eggplants. Oh, look at this thing. It's little, but there's going to be peppers on there. See them? That's a little pepper plant. Just came up independently. That eggplant flower is really pretty. Look at that. Pretty. So yeah, I got a mini garden out here. Chickens are planted a whole garden basically. Check out this sunflower Tammy's been feeding the chicken poop water. You know, the water that's left over from the chickens. Sometimes they poop in it. It's got a humongous stalk. I showed you that before. And look, its head is huge. That's a big sunflower. Bigger than my head. Gorgeous too. Just absolutely gorgeous little sunflower. There it says 11 foot 3.5. That's how tall that orange sunflower is. Finally got a few heads on it. That was the one I measured right there. That one's drying up, and then it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more heads, and this one is 11 foot 3.5.
Peace, y'all.
If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And if you like these videos, we have a lot more on our Patreon site. So become a $3 a month. You can become a patron and get exclusive content, stickers, and a lot more, including the Tammy Cam. So come check us out.